highly legal, apparently.
Yeah.
Gotta give him a grand tour.
Yeah. If we crash, I'm suing!
Oh, that's my police officer now. Probably right this minute, 1 in 5.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the lights.
Yeah.
Shafted for this, right?
I know. You got your knife?
I got a knife, I don't know what that's gonna do.
No, I just mean if the cover software should be another thing added. You know, I sort of see is where's his front wheel? He's got that dicky wheel, hasn't he?
Just another day in paradise. Indication left, right even.
Yeah.
You can't tell me left and me right. Hey!
I feel the bale wave.
There's the bees!
I thought we were gonna go back in the bale with this one.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it is.
Look at the bloody steering going.
Yeah, I know.
Like that. Right, down. Left. God, it's chilly.
It is, huh?
Potential.
That's what I was just.
No. Oh, look at that. Boys on that motherfucker. That's out of the sheet.